Storm system working into the eastern U.S. will bring us some widespread snow and ice concerns, and this will also bring us some heavy rain across parts of the Northeast where flood watches have been posted. And in the wake of this storm system, a very cold weekend is coming up, another surge of Arctic air. Well, that's a pretty potent cold front moving through the central U.S. now, and it will be pushing east through the rest of the day and into the weekend. And it is turning that precipitation over into a wintry fashion out near the Arklatex region, even parts of Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama under those winter weather advisories. Winter storm warnings kind of stretching up into the eastern Great Lakes. That's where we expect to see the most significant ice and snow accumulations. And we also have some winter weather headlines back to the west, where again those snowfall tallies will continue to go up through the highest elevations. But look at this wintry weather even down into lower Mississippi Valley, the Gulf Coast states, and then the snowfall will incrementally go up as you get closer to the Great Lakes region. Maybe some 6 to 12-inch tallies by say tomorrow before the storm system wraps up there in the eastern Great Lakes region. Here's a little bit closer look. Again, some of the heavier tallies will be within this particular corridor just downwind of both Lake Erie and Ontario. Again, maybe some 6 to 12-inch tallies there. But look at all the rain. Again, this is moisture, and we're talking about, again, upwards of maybe 1 to 2+ inch liquid tallies. That could certainly lead to some flood concerns. Flood watches have been posted here from Maine all the way down to eastern Kentucky. And again, that storm system will continue to push east, maybe at a few rumbles of thunder on the eastern flank of that. The storm system finally starts to wrap up there this weekend. But in the wake of that, very cold air will be pushing in. You can see maybe a couple of clippers diving in the southern flank of that colder air for the weekend. Pretty easy to pick up where that cold front is, though, today. Temperatures west of that mark, very cold. In fact, another surge of Arctic air will be shifting east and impacting the eastern half of the country as we head through this weekend.